LLC formation. Mistakes to avoid. Don't lose money. Forming an LLC can be a smart move for your business, but there are common pitfalls you need to sidestep to protect your investment. Let's explore these mistakes and how you can avoid them to ensure your LLC is set up for success. First, make sure you choose the right state for your LLC. While some states may offer tax advantages, it's generally best to form your LLC in your home state to avoid extra fees and requirements. Next, don't forget to file the Articles of Organization accurately. Mistakes here can lead to delays or even rejection of your application. Another common error is failing to create an operating agreement, even in states where it's not required. This document outlines how your LLC will operate and can prevent disputes among members. Additionally, be diligent about maintaining your LLC's compliance by keeping up with state filings and taxes. Neglecting these can result in fines or dissolution. Also, avoid mixing personal and business finances, which can jeopardize your limited liability protection. Always have a separate bank account for your LLC. Lastly, remember to regularly review your LLC's structure and make adjustments as your business grows. By steering clear of these common mistakes, you can ensure that your LLC is an asset rather than a liability. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more business tips.